just head over to your settings and scroll down to your camera. Just go ahead and tap to open your camera. Now once you're here, once again scroll down here and make sure you're actually turning on your sense detection. Okay, after you have turned these features on your iPhone, now let's go ahead and roll into this main process. Now the first work you have to do, guys, go ahead and open up your note application and tap to create a new note. Okay, once you've done that, you're gonna see this camera icon right over here. You go ahead and tap on there, and you're gonna see this option called scan document. Go ahead and tap on there, and then you're gonna see your camera right over here. Okay, now let me just go ahead. Okay, so it is actually in auto, so let me just make it manual just by tapping right here. Now once you're here, guys, now go ahead and scan your documentation. So I'll just get this piece of paper from here, and I'll just try to take or scan it from there. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a pictures of this paper. Alright guys, now once you have taken the pictures, now just go ahead and do a little customization for the page. So I'll just do it carefully because of the page. So I'll just make it perfect, and then go ahead and tap keep scan. And then all you have to do is just go ahead and tap save. Go ahead and tap on there. Alright guys, now once you have opened up your page, here you actually can make your pictures as a PDF in two ways. You can actually take your takes if you want to, just by copying all of those takes from here. And if you want these pictures to get PDF or to make PDF, you also can do it as well. Okay, now let's say you want to make this whole page as a PDF. The next things you got to do, go ahead and tap on the share icon right there. Go ahead and tap on there, and then if you're just gonna go ahead and scroll down here, then you'll be able to see this option called Save to Files. Go ahead and tap on there, and then it will give you these locations. Now go ahead and choose your preferable place to save them. As an example, we'll be choosing Snapseed. So I'll just tap Save. If I just get out of here and open up this file, and if I come to on my phone, and here if I just go ahead and open up this folder, and then you'll be able to see this PDF file over here. So let me just go ahead and show you this format right there. I'll just tap and hold it. I'll tap get info, and here, as you guys can see, this format is actually PDF documents. Okay, alright guys, so this is how you can scan a documentation, and this is how you can make them as a PDF. So hope this video is helpful. If so, leave a like and subscribe to this channel.